Ako, and sorry I've been so busy because I was hired as research analyst ng National Irrigation Administration, and meron kasing malaking project ang NIA. It is called Ilocos Norte Irrigation Project Stage 2, and they hired me as the research analyst. So ang position ko is research analyst A, and sa pagbabalik kong ito, I have very good news na alam kong love na love nyo ang news na ito. Hi everyone! It's so nice to be back! At least now I made it after my busy days. Here I am. At ang sarap bumalik after several months, after I think a month or two. So nandito na naman ako, and sorry I've been so busy because I was hired as research analyst ng National Irrigation Administration. Meron kasing malaking project ang NIA. It is called Ilocos Norte Irrigation Project Stage 2, and they hired me as the research analyst. So ang position ko is research analyst A. And sa pagbabalik kong ito, I have very good news na alam kong love na love nyo ang news na ito, at may i-reveal ako na magandang product today that will really help you maintain yung good-looking skin or yung whitening na ginagawa natin sa ating face. Paano nga ba ito ma-retain? How to improve? How can you protect your skin from skin damage or sun damage? Now, diba? So, etong product na to is i-reveal ko sa inyo. Actually, nagawan ko na to ng post sa Facebook before, pero because I was busy then, so hindi ko na nagawan ng video. Yes, and to begin with, I am still with my daily night routine na shark oil, and then of course I still use my sunblock, and kung anong mga ginagawa ko before to maintain my skin, yun pa din naman ang ginagawa ko as of now, hanggang ngayon. Kung ano yung mga products na ginagamit ko, yun pa din naman hanggang ngayon. Meron lang akong dinagdag na I think na mention ko na rin to in the past, sa mga video na ginawa ko in the past. Meron lang akong dinagdag na isang product na ginagamit ko tuwing nakapahinga yung skin ko from rejuvenating, from the shark oil. So, ano ito? Nandito siya. Ay, OMG, nawawala. Sorry. Here. Okay, so ano to? Ito yung, alam niyo na to Ito yung Olay Regenerist na binalita ko na to sa inyo before. Okay, that's it. Kita niyo ba, guys? I'm sorry. Okay. So, ito yon. Kaya, gustong-gusto ko to because I found it very effective on my skin. At tuwing nakapahinga yung skin ko ng 1 week or 2 weeks, sometimes 10 days, depende. So, ito yung ina-apply ko sa skin ko every night. And, siguro, as you can see, parang okay naman siya, right? Yes. Yes. Agree with me. Pero eto, summer is here, and kahit gaano kamahal ang product na ginagamit mo to make your skin fair or to make your skin white, to make your skin smooth and all that, kapag wala ka nito, well, masisira lahat at masasayang yung mga pinagpaguran mo, masasayang yung pera mo, masasayang yung ilang araw na nag-apply ka ng pampaputi, pampakinis ng skin without this. At ano ito? Sunblock. Simply sunblock. Pero, hindi lang basta-basta sunblock ito. Because, kaya ko talagang gustong gawin ito, since Holy Week naman, I have free time to do this video. I have all the time because it's holiday. So, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ito because alam kong makakatulong. And I've tested this for already a month, and I found it very effective. Before, kapag naiinitan yung skin ko kahit konti lang, namumula ka agad yan. Matatrace mo sa sa mirror, matatrace ko sa mirror na may pinagdaanan or may mga tawag nito, pamumula, reddening or redness because of the strong heat of the sun. Pero since I started using this one, na-minimize or hindi lang na-minimize until completely hindi na ako nakaka-experience ng redness. And what is this? What is this? This is Sunplay. This is just simply a sunblock. Pero tignan mo naman. Okay? It's 130 SPF 130 PA++++. At parang kung gaano karaming plus ang nandito, parang ganun din siya ka-effective. Okay, so it's 130 and guys, girls, ang laki na nito. OMG, this is 130 already. And you know this product medyo costly lang, medyo mahal ng konti because ganito siya kalaki. So half the size of my hand or my palm. And this is 399 pesos. Medyo expensive compared to the products that that me and you guys are buying. Pero kahit medyo mahal, kung effective naman siya. Wow, protected ang whitening sa skin mo. Protected ang pagpapaganda. No, hindi masisira yung sinimulan mo na sa skin mo na pinapaputi, pinapakinis. So, this is your partner in your whitening. Okay? So, napaka-effective nito. This is a Sunplay Ultra Shield High SPF and PA. And this is available sa may Watsons. I am not sure kung available din siya sa Lazada. But you can check it out. Check it out. Okay? You can check it out. And alam nyo, tuwing sinashake mo, meron siyang tunog. Ewan ko kung ano nasa loob nito. Pero, I think, yung nasa loob is yung thing that will really shake yung product sa loob. I don't know how do you call that one. Yeah. Oh, naririnig nyo ba? Yun. And, tignan natin yung consistency. Ito, medyo medyo, how do I say it, fluid ang niya, hindi siya creamy. Ayan, actually, yan. And I'll try to apply it in here. Tignan natin. Okay, so ganito siya. Yan. For me, this is not greasy. Yan, may whitening agent pa siya. Ang lakas ng protection that you get from here. And every morning when I go to work, when I go to the office, eto muna yung ina-apply ko. It's like, it is my primer already. I do not use any other primer except this one because I wanted to test kung gaano siya ka-effective without anything else on my face before I put my makeup on. Kaya, 1 month ko na siyang ginagamit and you know what? Napaka-effective niya sa skin ko. Kaya, if you notice, parang wala kayong nakikita na, well, I don't know. Sana hindi lang naman ako yung nagsasabi. Pero, I can feel that my skin is healthier now. Maybe because nakakatikim man siya ng sikat ng araw or yung heat from the sun, my skin now is protected because of this one. And you know what? You do not need to put a lot of this product because a little goes a long way. And for us ladies who doesn't want to, parang ayaw nating magmukhang matanda kaagad because you know what? It will affect everything that we do. Kapag kasi nangungulubot na yung skin o umiitim na yung skin natin, somehow it affects our confidence, right? I think you get what I mean. And we do not want that to happen kasi ayaw natin manliit tayo sa ating sarili. Although we do not based on that. Pero may effect. Meron, di ba? O, huwag mo sabihin wala. Meron talaga. So, you need to have a good-looking skin. And in order for you to protect the whitening that you're doing to your skin, you have to have this one. Buy mo na to, girl. It is Sunplay Ultra Shield High SPF and PA with SPF 130, PA++++. You can use this both on your, maybe on your arms and on your face. So, this is the good news that I'm telling you. And hanggang dito na lang muna ako. Thank you so much that after several weeks, after a month or I think 2 months na nga yata, na wala akong video na in-upload, here I am together with this good news. And thank you so much. Order now. Or if Lazada has it, diba? Pero kapag wala naman siya sa Lazada, then you can go to Watsons and they have this one. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much sa lahat na ng mga nag-subscribe, sa lahat na ng mga nanonood ng aking videos, lalong-lalo na yung video tungkol sa shark oil. Thank you so much, and I hope you got the right partner for your skin whitening. And thank you so much sa panonood. Always from the bottom of my heart, as I always say, na-miss ko kayo guys, and sana na-miss nyo rin ako. Thank you so much, and I love you. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and tap that button there, the notification bell. And then I'll be seeing you with another video soonest. Thank you so much guys, and I love you.